Hello everyone. In this tutorial shows how to create a pivot table in Excel. It helps you quickly summarize, analyze and organize large amount of data into meaningful insights. So let's begin. First select data, then go to insert tab, pivot table, click OK and use pivot table. See this product, use rows and sales values. Okay, use filter or again example, go to insert tab, pivot table, click OK and use for date, rows, sales value. Click any date cells, right click on your mouse, group, use only months and again go to insert tab, pivot table, click OK. Then product, rows, region column and sales value. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.